Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com First Look Review Highlights. This short video is a quick overview of the Breeo X Series 24 Smokeless Fire Pit that briefly points out a few noteworthy features which are detailed in our written review. You can read our thorough written review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. Alright, here we have the Breeo X Series 24 Smokeless Fire Pit. Look past the ash and you can see a row of air holes, which help make this a quote-unquote smokeless fire pit, in conjunction with air holes along the upper rim. Together they make an efficient fire pit that is relatively smokeless. Lots of cooking attachments offered by Breeo. We tested the Outpost grill, which comes with a pretty basic grill grate. There's a clever locking mechanism here to prevent the grate from spinning. And Breeo's sear plate griddle, which goes over the top of the pit. Here's their newest accessory, a rotisserie. The rotisserie motor is powered by a rechargeable battery, a standard electrical outlet, or solar power. Spin speed is adjustable. Comes with a spit and a tumble basket, which is very cool. Here's a skewer assembly with 6 sword-style skewers. We also tested their flat-top griddle, which fits over half of the pit. The only complaint we have is lack of an ash removal system. You have to shovel or vacuum ash out. Otherwise, this is a very efficient system for burning wood fires and cooking over live fire as well. One caution, the outside surface gets very hot. Breeo offers a couple of options. You can get this in stainless steel, as you see here, or Corten steel, which has a rust-colored patina. All in all, a very nice combo fire pit and outdoor cooking unit. Be sure to read our complete written review, because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.